Welcome to Life Beyond Certificate channel. Today you will learn how to budget money on low income. One of the reasons people consistently run into bankruptcy and financial insecurity is a result of a lack of budget, other times. Regarding finance, budgeting is the act of planning or approximating your income and expenses over a while. For example, if I earn $50,000 monthly, I have a set of bills, including feeding, clothing, healthcare, debt refunding, stipends for parents and siblings, and fun. How to make a budget. Understanding your earnings goes beyond knowing how much you earn monthly. An expense is a money used to sort out needs or foot bills. The next step is matching your income to your expenses, which helps monitor how much you should spend, which depends on how much you earn, and making plans that suit your income. If your costs are more than your income, this is a symbol that you could go broke soon, and you have to make an adjustment, which starts by making a soothing budget. Your needs are the things you cannot do without because they are required for life processes or survival. Most of our needs and wants have their price grades. Making a budget also entails purchasing what you can afford. When you incur so much debt on yourself, it becomes difficult to implement the strategy of budgeting. This will help you cope on how to budget money on low income. Budgeting helps you have a clearer understanding of financial life and how it should be controlled.